Here's our fig tree. It still has a lot of figs on it. It looks like one's ready. Right there. The fig tree's getting bigger. And then the salvia. And look at my little red flowers. I bought red and purple because hummingbirds like purple and red. That's the apple tree. Apricot tree. And then I had bought these. It was raining so much. These are more salvias. The birds love these. But I do have to change this here. It's getting so big. The hummingbirds come to this one. Did they finish that one? Oh my gosh. They finished it. Look, there's the hummingbird. You see it? Oh my gosh. They really finished it. They drink it more than this one.